Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing? It is, so if you can hear Xander in the background, he's just in the living room getting overexcited. I think they're watching something on the television. Today is, what day is it? I've been at work, honestly, it's Tuesday, so happy Tuesday. If you enjoyed the video you're about to watch, I know it's a little bit premature, but please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, I would love if you could subscribe to my channel, and also I'm over on Instagram if you'd like to give me a following over there. That would be very much appreciated. So again, yeah, the video, I thought I would do what we in a week as a family tonight. Well, it's teas basically. We were going to be having something completely different, but we've had a few mishaps over the last couple of days. The boiler broke last night, so we've been up half the night trying to sort it. I've got a mountain full of washing, bedding, towels, all that kind of stuff, because apparently it's been leaking for a little while and I didn't even know. So yeah, everything was soaked, and I mean soaked, so we had to call an emergency plumber out, which then obviously isn't, yeah, let's just say we ended up sitting up half the night waiting for a plumber that didn't actually get here till today, but never mind, it's sorted now, so I'm so very, very grateful. So there's a little bit of a change to the tea. We were going to have lasagna, but we're not now. Meals for the week. And then with everything that kind of happened yesterday, I didn't obviously do Monday's tea, so I'm starting on a silly day, which is a Tuesday. But tonight we are having fish and chips. We tried to have these a couple of weeks ago, but it it landed on the floor. There was a bit of a mishap and it landed on the floor. So tonight I'm hoping that there's going to be no mishaps. So tonight's tea anyways, yeah. Fish and chips. I've got two of these, which are the breaded haddock for large fillets. And I think I'm just going to pop them into the air fryer and let the air fryer do its thing. I've got some frozen peas because not everybody in my house likes mushy peas, so I've picked up some frozen peas for the kids that don't like mushy peas. And we're just going to do some chips. These are the McCain Naked Oven chips. Yes, we've had no sleep, guys. We are literally running on empty because of the boiler leak. So yeah, and I've been at work all day, hence why I look an amazing, amazing apparition in front of you. So I'm just having a lazy meal today, and it's just a bit of a cheap meal. And then we've got mushy peas for myself and my husband, because we enjoy mushy peas, and I think Alexi and Xander will probably have the mushy peas as well. And then Xander and Jaden have asked for meatballs with the chips instead of the fish because they don't like fish. So this is literally it, my lovelies, tonight's tea. As you can see, it didn't land on the floor tonight. We've got fish and chips, mushy peas, looks absolutely beautiful. These are meant to be extra large cod or haddock pieces, bird's eye. I mean, in fairness, they don't look extra large to me. My hubby's literally having to have two because they're actually, I don't think they're extra large. They don't look extra large anyways. But yeah, and then Lexi's got fish, chips and peas, Xander meatballs and chips because that's what he asked for, and I know he will eat it. And then this was Jaden's request as well. So we are gonna sit down to tea for tonight. Bon appetit. And yeah, I shall see you all on Wednesday for another mealtime. Take care, my lovelies. So it's currently Wednesday afternoon. How is everybody doing today? I hope you're well. Tonight's tea is, I am going to be making sausage pasta bake. I've got some smoked pork reduced fat sausage, so we're using like a smoky sausage tonight, with some tomatoes for the sauce base. And I just got some chopped mushrooms. We're going to use a vegetable stock cube, some single cream just to kind of like give it a creamy tomato base, if that makes sense, and then just some garlic and herb seasoning, some baby plum tomatoes which need using up. They've just been sitting. I love the way this camera just focuses on my hand, but it is actually really good at focusing on like the one thing. Yeah, so these have just been sitting in the fridge, so I need to use these baby plum tomatoes. And then we've got some whole wheat pasta and some peas And I think for the topping, what I'll have to do is a half and half though, because Jaden doesn't like cheese, is put some cheese on the top so it kind of like melts into it. That sounds like it'll be really, really nice. Sausage pasta, already done and dusted. It looks absolutely delicious. Delicious. And this is Jaden's. I don't know if it's going to be any good though, because I stupidly put it in such a big dish, and then I've popped it in the oven, so I'm just hoping that some of the pasta hasn't burnt. It looks a little bit, yeah. Anyways, I'll figure that one out in a moment, but yeah, this is tonight's tea. So I'm literally going to dish this up. I'm already getting my orders off Xander. I don't like that. I want butter pasta. But in fairness, butter pasta isn't gonna provide him anything he needs. So yeah, this looks absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna go and get my tea, my lovelies. I'm gonna finish dishing this up and I will let you get your teas. And can I just say, if you've got any meal ideas, because I often kind of like, my brain runs dry trying to think of recipes and stuff. So if anybody's got any meal ideas or recipes for us, let me know in the comments below and I'll happily try them out. See you tomorrow. Happy Thursday, my lovelies. So tonight's tea is, we're having lasagna, homemade, but we're going to do it with lean pork mince instead of chicken or beef, just for a change. I just fancied being something a little bit different, so yeah. We've got butter, cheese, lasagna. These are just all the ingredients. Plain flour and obviously milk and cheese for the roux. Ground nutmeg. What have you got ground nutmeg for?
It goes in the bechamel.
Oh, it puts it in the bechamel. Okay, I'm not cooking tonight, by the way, my hubby is. So yeah, it's yeah, these are all the ingredients that we need. Onion, fresh garlic, stock cube, we've got basil and paprika, chopped tomatoes, and he's debating, I think, whether or not to put mushrooms in. Just we usually get whinged at when we put mushrooms in stuff off Santa, but yeah, so this is the ingredients for tonight's tea. I will come back and show you it all when it's done. Hello, Mr. Spud. 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 Right. Dinner. I got your legs, honey. Okay, right, so lasagna. Have you had Woody?
No, because food's about.
Broccoli, and then we've done, well, you've done chips as well to go with it, haven't you? This is a bit of a disaster, so yeah, that can kind of, is probably gonna have to just be put in the bin. And but this is the lasagna. So yeah, this is tea tonight, my lovelies. I hope you enjoy yours, and I'll see you all tomorrow for Fridays. So it's Friday, and as promised, another meal. What we eat in a week as a large UK family. I say a large UK family, but my hubby's at work. Both my daughters, well, my older daughters are at work. So there are, I'm just trying to think, 9, there's 6 of us eating tonight. So I'm just going to do a homemade, sorry, you can hear the dogs bark, and they're not my dogs, they're the neighbours' dogs. Every time I pick up my camera, you can guarantee there's a dog, or there's a buddy, or there's a somebody. Anyways, Buddy's actually in the living room at the moment. He is quietly chilling, as they say. He's not snorting or grunting at the moment. So yeah, I am going to do our tea, and I'm going to make Buddy something as well. I'm doing a homemade chicken korma. How's Friday treating you? How's your week been? I've had quite a productive day today. I managed to get into town and get a few bits and pieces picked up for Marley's birthday on Monday. But yeah, tonight's tea, that's for another situation. So tonight's tea, homemade chicken korma. So I've just got some chicken thigh fillets out. I'm going to cook these up. I'll use some for our tea and then some for Buddy as well. Some yoghurt just to pop in with the chicken and stuff. I've got a vegetable stock cube. Got some tandoori mild curry powder, ginger paste, and then I've got my aromat seasoning, which, yeah, if you've not tried this, my lovelies, honestly, it's a game changer. Some wholemeal rice. I've got coconut milk instead of cream. I'm going to do that because I haven't got any coconut and I'm doing like a korma, so I want it to be like coconutty. I haven't got any almonds either, so yeah, I'm just going to use the coconut milk. This is light coconut milk. And then I've got 3/4 of an onion because my daughter Beth has obviously cooked last night and she's left this in the fridge, so instead of using like a full one, I'm just going to use what's left. Some turmeric, what's left of that I'll have to buy some more. Some coriander, cumin and sweet cinnamon. Usually I use like cinnamon sticks, but I haven't got any. I've run out and I haven't bought any, so I'm just going to use the ground sweet cinnamon. It will work just as well to give it that sweet taste, or you can use brown sugar if you've got no cinnamon. It's awfully dark. Hi my lovelies, it's very dark. So it's currently 6:30. This is a very late tea for us. We usually eat about 5, 5:30. I tend to put a bit of butter in with my rice and I cook it in the oven if I am not putting stock cubes or vegetables or anything like that in with it. So this is just being cooked in the oven with some water and some butter. And then this is the curry. Look at that. Nom nom, nom nom. I ended up putting a little bit of coconut milk in, just obviously because I didn't have any almonds or cashews or anything. And what I've done is I've put cream in it as well. It's just single cream for the curry, and I'm gonna dish it out. Obviously it's a little darker because it's homemade. I've put like all my own spices and stuff into it. So yeah, I'm gonna go out and enjoy my tea with some poppadoms, and then we've got some mango chutney as well, which I'm just gonna pop into a bowl. And I shall see you all tomorrow, so have a lovely evening. And what are you guys having for tea tonight? Let me know in the comments if you're having anything nice, or just, I don't know, what everybody like prefers and stuff. Do you like curry? You know, is it, yeah, homemade, jarred, or do you prefer takeout? Let me know in the comments, and I shall see you all tomorrow, which will be Saturday. So yeah, bye. Happy Saturday guys. So tea tonight is chicken burgers. I did say I would probably only use 1 pack, but as you can see the family has already gotten into them, so I'm just going to use what's left. I'm going to do white rolls. I've got myself some wholemeal rolls, so I'm just going to have one of them, but I fancy a salad, so I'm literally gonna, because yeah, they were having salad at work. So I thought, I actually really fancy a salad. So I've got some bistro salad leaves, baby spinach and everything. It was cheaper to buy that than it was to buy them separately. I'm gonna pop that in. I've got some fries for the kids to go with their chicken burgers. Some sweet gem lettuce, literally just to put inside like the rolls and things. And then also for my salad, I've got some cherry tomatoes. We've got sweet potatoes, going to do some sweet potato fries, and then spring onions, light salad cream, some celery sticks, some grapes because I'm going to put the grapes in, and then some light salad cream, which is 30% salad cream. So yeah, this is what's going to be for tea tonight. So once it's all done and dusted, I shall lay and plate it up. I shall let you see. Enjoy your Saturday. And tea's served. So we've literally I made a salad. I tried to do like a bit of a ranch dressing, but I didn't have all the ingredients, but it still worked out really well. It's absolutely, honestly, I made it and I couldn't stop eating it. I do love a good old-fashioned salad. Chicken burger in a wholemeal roll. It always tastes better than it looks. I've made some sweet potato fries. I did burn some of them, but yeah, the majority of them were saved. And then you've got Kenzie's, which is more or less the same but with white rolls, and he's got no lettuce on his burgers. I just give him an extra few fries as well because there was some fries left over rather than them going to waste. Lexi, because she doesn't have a bun, ignore the knife in the sink. But yeah, Lexi, because she doesn't have a bun, Xander's got 2 chicken burgers and some fries because that's what he wanted. And this is Jaden's, but I'm going to see if Jaden wants another burger. And Marley's gone out, so I'll put Marley's to one side. This is the salad, and I absolutely, yeah, I just love a good old-fashioned salad, just everything chucked in and it all kind of like brought together with whatever dressing you fancy. If you've got any ideas or if you've got any kind of like things for tips for dressings or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I am always open to ideas, and yeah, it's always nice to have somebody else's ideas and stuff, you know, because as I said previous, I tend to like make a lot of my own stuff, and it's nice to get new recipes and things. So I'm going to shout the kids through for tea. Xander, do you want to come and get yours? And I shall see yous all next week. This will be edited and probably up for tomorrow, which is Sunday. And then obviously I'll do some more meals for next week. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out my Instagram, and I shall see you all soon in the next video. Okay, take care, bye bye.